Sub-Zero.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we got a good video in store for you guys, or else you wouldn't have clicked on this video. Before we get straight into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I got a bunch of videos planned. I got a giveaway planned, just a lot of things about to start popping off on this channel, so you don't want to miss it. So today, my boy Antonio rented out a house to shoot a music video, so about to go head over there, chill with them. But before that, I gotta clean up the house, so let's get straight into it. Alexa, play hip hop radio. So as you can see, the house is clean, we've eaten, and now it's time to head to the house and see how rich people live. And but before that, I gotta put some gold bricks in the gas tank, so let's get straight into it.
One eternity later.
I didn't even record any us getting here. But anyway, we finally made it, and it's crazy. It looks pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. So of course I'm gonna show y'all. Right. I'm gonna show y'all the outside and of course the inside. What up, rich people? Sheesh, this is crazy. Bathroom, bedroom. Yeah, this is crazy.
I'll take it, thanks.
He has all his plaques on the wall upstairs.
Oh, really?
We'll give you guys
Three universities.
Wow.
Cambridge,
Sorry, it's a little dirty.
University,
Shit.
somewhere else. He has like doctors of law.
Oh, he's a lawyer?
Yeah.
I think so.
That's crazy.
Found him on LinkedIn and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, whenever y'all are ready, y'all can just follow me.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'll be following you on your tour.
I know, I said how cool it would be if he had lights on the stairs.
Right? I
Like,
just.
Oh, were you saying that?
Oh no, I was just saying. I just saw a video of how somebody had lights where the lights would follow you up.
Oh, like
Yeah, like they turn on and turn on as you
Yeah.
walk through.
Yep.
If you look out there, there's where, you know, my
the bars.
radio kind of thing. There's a shower out there too.
Oh really?
Yeah, I
Yes,
installed
right
that last week.
Oh, wow.
I installed that last
Right.
You see the painters he took, I mean the pictures he took.
That's right.
And
Y'all got a jacuzzi?
just
That's
all-
it's on.
Oh my god.
Right?
Now, you guys can choose whichever one you want. You know, we have thousands.
That's
The
crazy.
doors are so tall.
I know, right?
So here's one of the rooms.
This is nice.
Jack and Jill bathroom.
Why does everyone know that term?
Oh, Jack and Jill.
Except for me, yeah, he said Jack
We
and
watch
Jill.
Right?
Oh, look at that! Look how cool the like light is.
That's cool.
That looks so like modern.
Right?
Michelle's buying this for herself.
Has the thing for the fan.
I want to feel this small in my house. Like,
Right.
Right.
That's my goal in life is to feel this little in my house.
And then you
We're
have
obviously doing separate rooms.
Right?
right.
Little pocket doors.
And then you have this. Hey, you said that you good.
Use it. Look.
What? Oh wow. That's crazy.
It's embarrassing. Well, just go ahead. There you go. We haven't figured out how to use the other ones, but
We can
Yeah.
open this one now.
Right.
It's like, there's that.
That's crazy.
Yeah. There's another closet. Same thing.
Wow.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
That's some true rich people stuff.
Right?
Hello?
Man.
But I looked on Google Maps before we came here so that we knew how to park.
Right?
This is the washing.
Oh, watching room.
Yeah, it's not crazy.
That's crazy.
That's where he watches his wigs.
Right.
Oh, well, speaking of wigs, just keep coming.
That's
this way.
crazy.
And this is where I'm assuming he sleeps.
Oh, the main guy?
Yeah, the guy who owns this house, because this is his closet.
Who's it these? Wow.
Kavan searched.
Found him.
Yeah, Kavan searched it, and this is him right here.
Yeah.
That's
He
crazy.
owns all this.
Oh, you went to Cambridge too?
Yeah.
Wait till
Wow.
you look at his bathroom.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I might be showering in here.
Yeah, we already said
I already
that.
got mine out.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, take notes for when we build a house.
Right,
I know, that's what I
absolutely.
said. I was like,
Please.
this is exactly. It's weird though, like the attic's in here, but
Right?
whatever. But yeah, that's this. Wait,
Wow.
Did we kind of go over that? Moved too fast? I thought we went over everything.
Well, I think they already saw the room downstairs.
Yeah, I had peeked in there.
No, yeah. It's not the best scenery, but it's,
Right.
but it's-
Tell me I was making my video.
Oh, is this what you were talking about?
What you
Like the windows and how like people could see in or something?
yeah, but like granted it was downstairs, but yeah, they just
Right?
it's in the same
That's
spot.
good luck.
Same spot as
I told you to kill it.
It's probably dead.
Right.
I have to kill it. It killed
But yeah,
itself.
that's pretty much the house. I mean, you guys can like do
That's a
everything.
chandelier.
That's crazy. I know, right? It's cool that it's like right over the steps too.
He has a note in his booklet that says like, be careful with the table over there, because the table is 200 years old.
Sheesh.
I was like, why would that Airbnb?
Right? Right. Can't have no type of kids up in here.
Right?
Damn.
I'm sure it's hard in the garage.
I wouldn't be surprised. 200 years old?
That's what it says, that's what it says in the book.
Wow. Let me show y'all the kitchen. There's
went through
lazy
everything.
Susan in
Absolutely.
the cabinet.
I know that's what I said.
Look at that. Man.
You can always not leave with your
I saw the rules that he had. He was just in
no porn.
to make sure you. I didn't tell his fingers.
That's a regular sound.
Retro Day, you so crazy.
Next morning.
What's going on, guys? So as you can see, it is day number 2. It is our last day here, and I will say the house is really nice. It's really cool. We were going to sleep downstairs in the king bed, but it was missing the middle of the frame. So yeah, we decided not to do that, of course. So we came up here, slept in like a full, I don't even know what size it was, but it was small. Other than that, the spot was real cool, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.
Hip, 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 hip.